This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to install your Tuff Tether onto either a Puffco Peak Pro ball cap or a Puffco Peak Pro Oculus cap. First step is to remove either the Oculus or the ball cap and set it aside. And next you're going to take off the chamber. With the chamber off, you're going to take one loop on the Tuff Tether and install it onto the bottom of the chamber. Should look like this. Reinstall the chamber, align the tether, and reinstall either your ball cap or Oculus cap. Next, install the next loop around the grooves on your cap. And that's it, you're good to go.